Hey everyone, Technomentary with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot on your iPhone 16 Pro or any iPhone on the latest iOS version. Now there's many ways to take a screenshot, and I'm going to show you the simple and the easiest way. First method is going to be using the volume up and then this side button. We need to quickly press and release these two buttons simultaneously, just like that. You press and release, and that will do a screenshot like this, and then you can mark it up, edit this. And once you're ready, you can click on that icon to share it or save it. If you're ready to save, simply hit done. You can save it to your Photos app, Files app, or Quick Notes. So just save it to my Photos, and it will save into that Photos folder right here, the screenshot I have just taken and edit for. Again, that's going to be method 1. Method 2, it's going to be using Siri. If you have Siri enabled, Siri can also take a screenshot of it. But for this time, I'm going to go into a website and show you how to take a screenshot with the full page. So I have a page here, and I'll say, hey Siri, take a screenshot. And as you can see here, Siri will take a screenshot, and I can go ahead and click on it and then do a full page, and I have a scrolling screenshot. And this only works on certain apps and web pages like this. And once you're done, you can hit done, save to Photos or Files, and you have a screenshot just like that. Now another method, it's going to be a little bit more advanced, is using what's known as the back tap feature. So in your settings, swipe down until you see search up back tap. So what back tap is, basically allows you to either double back tap on the back glass or triple to do an action. An action might be, if I click on it here, might be to go ahead and take a screenshot right here. So when you enable that, you tap on the back glass, assuming that you don't have a case or anything blocking it, it will take a screenshot for you when you do a double tap. And just like that, by tapping back, I have a screenshot as well. That's going to be another way to take a screenshot. So those are different ways to take a screenshot on your iPhone 16 Pro. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. We'll see you guys next time.